What's up guys, Serg exclusive here. In today's video we're basically going to go over how to start affiliate marketing in 3 different ways. Free method, if you have a budget for $100 or more, if you have $1,000 or $2,000 to spend on affiliate marketing. So without no further ado, let's get started with this video. Alright guys, before we get started with this video, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you refer people to products. Let's say I do a review on this Blue Yeti right here, and then the Blue Yeti gives me a unique link. So that when they click on my link, I get a commission out of it. It's that simple, guys. Affiliate marketing, I think, is one of the best online business to get started with if you guys are looking for a free method. So, without no further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first method is the free method, which easily you guys could start off with a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, and you guys could combine those two, grow your channel, grow your Instagram account, and you guys could get started. But just know, if you do the YouTube channel and the Instagram account, it's gonna take time, and you guys also gotta be specific on the niches. Just do it on one niche, don't do it multiple niches. And then sign up for an affiliate marketing program. The best one I recommend is Amazon Associates. That's the one I recommend for beginners, because that one just, all you need is a YouTube channel and you guys will be all good. Most affiliate programs require for you to have a website and know your knowledge of how to do affiliate marketing. So the best one to do is Amazon Associates. So I'll leave the link down below for you guys to get signed up already. So yeah, guys. Method number 2, the budget is $100 or $200. Now I'm going to go on to the second method, which is basically, if you guys have a budget of $100 or $200, you guys could create your own website less than $100, guys. I actually will set up your blog if you guys want me to. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go check it out. But it's pretty easy, guys. Just you guys could create your own website, and you could also do the free method as well. Combine them together with YouTube and your website. Have more authority in your niche. So you guys can also get a logo for you guys for under $5 if you guys want to get started with that too. It's pretty easy, guys. Just start creating a website, and then you can start running ads if you guys have that extra $100 to your website, or even start buying tools for your affiliate marketing tools like ClickFunnels if you guys want to get started with ClickFunnels too, if you guys have that extra $100. Alright, method number 3 is you guys have a higher budget, which is $1,000 to $2,000. First one, highly recommend, that's the first thing you guys should do, is invest in a mentor. 100%, if you guys are 100% legit with your affiliate marketing journey, invest in a course or a mentor. I did both, because it came with both. With the course, came with both. With the course, and the mentorship, it came with both. I got this course called ODI, called Affiliate Marketing Champs, by UDI Productions. I invested my money so he can invest his time with me. I did invest in other courses, but this is the best course. One of the best course I took in for affiliate marketing is ODI's course. He's a humble guy. He's pretty chill to talk to. If you guys want to invest in a mentor, you can see my review, my honest review, and I actually show you the inside of the course, but not like the videos and stuff like that, because I don't want to disrespect ODI production by just giving out all his hard work out there. For this course, he put a lot of effort into that course. So yeah, guys, you guys could go check that out. But I highly recommend to invest in a mentor. It doesn't have to be ODI, it could be anybody else, but invest in a mentor. Also do the website and the free method, combine them together, guys. You guys will be unstoppable in affiliate marketing, because most people won't want to invest. If you guys do invest, you guys be one more step further than the other guy. Affiliate marketing, there's a lot of competition. You guys just have to be a step ahead of the other guys. That's all you guys gotta do. The other thing, also, if you guys have money left over and you guys know how to use YouTube ads and Google ads, I suggest to invest in that too, so you guys could boost up your results. And I highly recommend to do that. So that wraps up today's video, guys. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, smash that like button. Also comment down below if you guys have any questions. If you guys have any questions for me, I'll answer them for you guys. If you guys want to follow my journey on affiliate marketing, you guys could subscribe and also follow me on my social medias at Serg_exclusive. All the same at all the social medias. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.